Take a look at the view counts. 20 million, 18 million, 16 million. Literally, this channel is exploding right now. Yes, I am talking about the channel drdata, which was created 2 to 3 months before, and it has already crossed 229 million total views, and with only 59 videos this channel has gained more than 400k subscribers. And it's not just this channel. Other creators like Just a Dude and Sapiens are posting the same type of videos, and they're seeing the same kind of explosive growth. So this clearly isn't luck. So the real question is, why is this working? What exactly is this channel doing differently? By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact framework that's making this channel grow this fast. So let's get started. First, open the PDF link in the description. Follow each step carefully, and don't skip the video. If you skip anything, your final video may not generate properly. Now, copy the first prompt for the video topics. Go to ChatGPT and paste it. Where it says insert number, type how many topics you want, then hit send. ChatGPT will instantly generate the exact number of topics you requested. Next, copy the video script prompt. Open Claude, paste the prompt, and insert the topic you're creating the video about. Claude will generate a script in a style similar to drdata's videos. Now it's time to generate images. Copy the image generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Insert the script that Claude created. After that, go to Google and search for Whisk AI. Click on it. You'll need reference images for video generation. I've already provided those in the description, just download them. Once your reference images are ready, copy each scene by scene image prompt and paste them into Whisk. Generate all the required images. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy all the image prompts. We'll need them for the next step. Now we're ready to generate video clips. Copy the video generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Insert your script along with all the image prompts you copied earlier. ChatGPT will generate the full set of video prompts for you. Next, search Flow AI on Google and open it. Select ingredient to video option. Upload your images one by one. Paste the corresponding video prompt and generate each clip. And just like that, your video clips are ready. Now comes the most important part, the voiceover. Go to Google AI Studio. Click on Playground, then select Text-to-Speech. Choose Single Voice. Paste your script and adjust the instructions. For this video, I recommend a deep voice. I personally prefer the Karen voice. It gives a powerful, dramatic feel. Click Run. It may take a few moments, and your voiceover will be ready. Finally, it's time for editing. I'll be using CapCut on my phone, but you can also edit on a PC. Import all your clips. Add the voiceover, adjust the timing, add background music, and polish everything. And that's it. Your video is ready to upload. While that's processing, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep bringing you content like this.